making the right here. What is up, guys? Welcome back to the Adventures of Zach. Today's gonna just be a street ride, kind of just like a motovlog. Just gonna hit some back roads, pavement only today. A little chilly out, not too bad. Yeah, it's nice here. Make a right here. And then directly after the bridge, we're gonna make a left. This is Dr. Jack right here. Really nice road, man. Yeah, we're gonna make a left right here though, all right? And then what we'll do is we'll spin around after we go up this way and we'll come back down and then we'll make a left there again. This is just a really cool road. I don't know if you've ever been on this road. I don't think I've ever taken you on this road right here. It's really cool though, man. Yeah, this is a really cool road right here. Yeah, I was gonna try a second gear wheelie on this hill, but probably not a good idea. Don't know if there's cars coming. Look at this drop off though, dude. That is freaking gnarly. Look at that. Dude, that's what I'm saying, like, and there's a house. Yeah, dude, there's a really sharp turn right here. There's a house on the other side that's literally right next to a hill like that. And I'm like, man, could you imagine having little kids? Like, that's a sketchy road, man. Yeah, something in the road back there. Hey, here's that. Slow down a little bit, dude, and just kind of look over the road. Oh, there's a road down there. No, it's this road right here, Octero Road. I don't want to take you down it though, because if it's gravel, I don't want you going down it. Dude, I used to ride my FZ down gravel roads all the time. I had no problem with it, but a little bit different on your bike though, for sure. It's not the same type of seating. You could do it, but yeah, it's not the same type of seating, and wouldn't recommend it with two people unless you had. So all right, so we're gonna make a left here. Yeah, well, that real fine gravel like that, you're fine with. When you get into the real big meaty chunks of gravel, it can kind of chew your tires up. So this is a really gnarly turn right here, if you remember, dude. Really gnarly turn, so take it easy. Really, really gnarly, dude. That's a nice turn though. Yeah, dude. I used to hit that with the FZ pretty fast, man. All right, let's get around this mail truck. There's nobody coming. How's everybody doing with the coronavirus? All good here. So I got something coming in. I'm waiting for a couple items, but I got something coming in that I'm gonna do a review for you guys. Mainly because I'm not gonna even give off an idea of what the item is yet, but I'm possibly gonna do a giveaway with it, depending if anybody's interested in it. Depending on how the review turns out. If it turns out to be a good item that I could honestly recommend, then I might do a giveaway. Look at these trees right here, dude. They're all like literally in a straight line. What is up with that? When I took my learner's permit, motorcycles learner's permit test, I actually got the first 4 questions, or first 3 questions, I think it was, wrong. And it was the dumbest questions that I've ever read in my life. I mean, I did the practice tests and all that stuff, dude, for like 2 months. And then I went and take the permit test and I get like the first 3 questions wrong. And I'm like, damn it, if I get another question or 2 wrong, I fail. And I'm like, I already got the first 3 wrong. I still got like 17 questions left. Like, I was like, geez, I'm gonna fail this. I didn't, thankfully. I passed it, but man. How's she looking today, guys? Looking all pretty. I cracked this on my last ride. It's all good though. Who cares, right? And I think I come to the conclusion of why my rear is eating my pads. We'll see. My brother seems to think it's because my rotor's pretty ground up. So I'm going to order new pads, and I'm going to order a new rear rotor OEM. We'll see what happens. Let's go down a little Fire Tower Road. We're gonna go climb that fire tower, guys. Let's go do it. Something I've been trying to do. No, that would never happen. It's all gated off. All right, let's go. Show you all about that speed. Hey, look at that tree, man. Radio tower. All right, guys, so it's that time of year again. Springtime. It's been spring for a little bit. That time of year again, though, man. Anybody who's interested in riding a motorcycle, no matter what it may be, get out there, take your test, and then take your driver's test. The way I did it, so many different ways to do it. If you've never ridden a bike before in your life, I highly recommend you doing a motorcycle safety course, whether you do it through a local college, you do it through somebody like Harley, whomever offers it for you. I did mine directly through the MVA, got your motorcycle endorsement, you're ready to ride. But yeah, just get out there, take your test, get your license, you're good to go. Look at that tree, dude. That is crazy looking. Blair Witch Project. Hey, you want some goat cheese? Man, you ever had goat cheese? Oh. It tastes really, really musky. And look at this drop off. Look, so this house is right here, but look at this drop off. This turn is gnarly. Just watch the way I'm going, see? A gnarly turn, dude. Yeah, nice hill. Nice hill to do wheelies and shit on. Gonna make a left here. Dude, a 300 is the perfect bike for her. I don't recommend anybody starting on a 600. None of that. Not at all. You know, it's just for most people. Can you start on a 600? Yes. Can you start on a 1000? You could. Do I recommend it? Absolutely not. Especially if you're a new rider. I don't recommend anything. If you can get a 300, start on a 300. You know, if we go to good weather day this week, guys, we're going to take a trip to Centralia, PA. If you guys know anything about Centralia, that should make for a cool video. It's going to be all road riding, but it should be kind of cool. If you don't know what Centralia is, Google it. It's where Silent Hill pretty much got their ideas for their town and so forth. And you do not want to hook onto that vine. Did you see that? It would rip you right off the bike, dude. Jeez. That should make for an interesting video, though, if we get to do that this week. I think it's supposed to rain this Friday. I think it's supposed to rain all weekend. Would have did it today. It's a hair chilly, though. And it's about an hour-and-a-half ride one way for us. So, chose to not ride to Centralia today. Hopefully one other day this week, though. I've been trying to go there for years. It's crazy, though, because I think that the graffiti highway, I think they started demolishing it. Watch the documentary on YouTube about it. I think it's called The Town That Was. It's actually really, really cool, really interesting. A little recommendation for all you guys. I mentioned the app before in one of my videos when I was riding with my buddy in the woods, the Rever app. It's awesome. And right now, they're running a special, a spring sale. So if you guys are interested in it, you definitely get it. I got a year subscription for $23.99. Cannot beat it. But the cool thing about it though, guys, is that if you ride with anybody you ride with, you could use the app for free as well. When you pay for it, there's a significant amount of perks, at least that I think are worth it, especially for $23.99 for the year. The cool thing about it is that you could use it on-road, off-road. It's got voice-guided GPS. I know Google Maps is awesome. That's mainly what I use. But for on my motorcycle, the Rever app is amazing. And any of my rides I can share when I upload them, and anybody can see them that are on my friends list. I can share them publicly as well. You can see other people's rides that are locally. You can see other people's rides that are around the country. But the cool thing about it is if your friends ride anything off-road, when you're not there, or they ride a new spot and you want to check it out, you can utilize their map. You can go right onto their profile and you can use their map on your phone, ride a new spot, even if they're not with you. That way you know where you're going, you know the ins and outs, things of that nature. Awesome app. If you're interested in it, definitely check it out right now. Hopefully the special's still running. Cannot beat it for $24. Also, man, if you guys are looking into getting any type of comm device, if you ride with other people, even if you're just getting it for GPS, navigation, music, things of that nature, get yourself a comm device. You have to have one. Once you ride with one, you'll never want to ride without one again. A Senna, bro, or whatever, any device you want. Because we're linked right this second, and it's nothing better than riding and being linked. My man is getting it. All right, that's it for this video though, guys. Hopefully you guys like this video. Kind of a boring video, just a typical motovlog. If you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you didn't like the video, let me know why in the comments. That'll be it though, guys. Peace.